Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Reddit in your Windows laptop or PC, and this method works for both Windows 10 and 11. So first you are going to type here in the search and you are going to search for store. You will find it here, Microsoft Store. You just click open, and then here in the search bar you can type Reddit. You will see here the option. You just click here. And then, as you can see, you will find the first application, the free one, and the official one. You just click here. Then you just click on the Get button, and the installation will start. And once it's finished, instead of this Get button, you will see the button Open. You just open it. You can log into your account and use it as you want. And after the download is finished, if you didn't see it here in your desktop, you just go to the search, you type Reddit, and you will find the application. You can create either shortcut for here for your desktop, or you just can pin it to your taskbar and you will find it here next to this application. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.